foundation. There was no solid foundation under it. So solid foundation is, I am soul. This is my body. I have a mind. You are also soul. You also exist. I also exist. Everybody exists. We should love each other. We should help each other. And then grow together. Growing together is the real solution for this crisis. Not this competition, not this jealousy, not just trying to create problems for each other. This will never be successful. It's my policy. I have used this for now almost 15 years. When I started my Ayurveda, I was zero. Nobody knew me in the world. Zero, completely. Even negative, you can say. Living in a village, nothing, no money, nothing. Very poor. My father was ordinary farmer. Just idea was there. Even 15 years ago, even today, same idea, Ayurveda in every home. I don't dream anything else. I have no other desires. Ayurveda in every home. This is my dream. And okay, it might have taken 15 years, but it is becoming a reality now. As I told you, I visit about 50 countries in the world. And more recently, it has become very popular in India. I am on 3 television channels every day, my show. And you cannot imagine how much people are liking this. In India, a country which is called already spiritual, everybody knows this same talks. Because most important is not what you talk. Most important is how you talk. If you talk from your heart, if you talk with love, it's not something very new I am talking, I think. You already, maybe some of these things you already know. But it touches your heart. When I speak from heart, it touches your heart. It's very interesting. Some people already told me this during the break. They felt it, But it's not the first time. I've done it many times. And I was very surprised that it also works through television. So many people, they come and tell me that we watch your show every day, and what you speak is touching our heart. So this is what I want all of you to practice. It's not complicated. It's nothing difficult. This will take away all your stress. You can see the example, right here. Do I look stressed? I work maybe more than the most important CEOs of companies, actually. If you see my schedule even here, I think I'm working every day almost like 16, 17 hours every day. But I am very relaxed about it because I enjoy this and I like it. I like to help people. And this is what Sattva will give you. See, end of the day, the first thing you want to do is to help yourself. If you are not happy, if you are having so much disturbance in your mind, if you are having so much things, going, there's no point. No point of me doing Ayurveda if I am not relaxed, if I am not happy. Of course, I also have problems. I have also finances. I have also company. I have also things going on. But okay, it's fine. I am soul and I breathe from abdomen. So it's no big deal. And I clean my tongue every day. I wash my eyes and I try to eat proper quantity. And it's working. And not for me. There are thousands of people whom I have advised these things and it works. So what I advise now you for the mind mainly is Sattva. What is Sattva again? Something that relaxes your mind. And most important in this is the food. Again, food does not mean only what you eat through mouth. It also means, as I told you earlier, what you see, what you hear, what you smell, what you think, how you have mental activities going on. Everything has to be considered. Everything that you have in your materialistic world can be divided into 3 groups: Sattvic, Rajasic and tamasic. You have to choose. Try to have majority of the things sattvic. Food, what you eat, has to be clean. Sattva means clean. Relax. It's not some technical thing that you don't understand. It's not something which is not available in this country. It's available here also. So anything which is clean, even if it is clean water, clean air, fresh is the word, fresh. Fresh water, fresh air, fresh food, without much preservatives, without chemicals, something which has oxygen in it. We talk about breathing, oxygen. Something which has prana. In our language, we call it prana, Ayurveda. Have you heard about this word prana? Prana is actually, in the physical level, you can call it oxygen, but it's more than oxygen. It's the energy in that particular activity, in that particular food. So every food has got prana. Some has high prana, some have low prana. Like all this junk food is hardly any prana. It's all chemicals, preservatives. So choose some food which has lot of prana, which means again grains, all the grains, and many type of, what do you call them, koshas. Koshas? Many types in Lithuania. I always enjoy this. Different types. You can make at least one every day, new one. This lot of prana in this. Prana means something from which you can generate. Like you have these sprouts, You can generate life from them. They have life, they have force inside. Unfortunately, a leg of chicken cannot produce a chicken. So there is no prana in that, It's okay, it may have proteins. So that's why in Ayurveda we advise sattvic food means more vegetarian, organic, natural. Like you had this food. I think this was wonderful food, Did you like it? Yes. Very nice food, tasty, full of prana, sattvic. So this is, I think we can make in the house. It's not a big deal, Why, create so much problem, rajas and tamas, and not good for the soul. Try to change. Okay, enough, we have enjoyed. Try to make a change. Change is always brings you some new excitement. Because soul does not like violence. We all love non-violence. But then we must practice it also. Non-violence does not mean that you have to just sit down in a lotus position and chant some mantras and practice some kind of meditation. Non-violence is, we say, live and let live. This is the philosophy. Let everybody live in this planet happily. So when we have so many wonderful things to eat, so many vegetables we have, so many fruits we have, salad and grains and nuts, and we have dry fruits, and we have milk and milk products, cheese and tvorak, and I don't know what, so many kind of cheese, It's full of yogurt and buttermilk, pasukas. Many things are available here. So why not? Why not? Majority of your food should be majority of this. Okay, maybe initially you are not going to change in one day. Okay, sometimes some rajas and tamas, but dominance of sattva. This will make you successful. Not only stress-free, I am telling you successful. Crisis is gone, finished. This is the best solution for crisis, because when you are spiritually, alert, mentally happy, so what can crisis do, I think we have seen much bigger crisis in this country or in every country. There was World War II, then there was, I think, your problem going on with Russia for some time. Many big crises we have. This is nothing, this crisis. How did we come over those crises? With spirit. With strong spirit, with clean mind.